This tutorial guides you through creating a new approval request in Catenda Hub. If you haven't already, please watch the Create a New Approval Workflow template video before watching this one. You will learn how to select workflows, submit requests for review, add annotations, and manage approval decisions. Before starting, ensure you have access to the relevant project documents and the necessary permissions to create approval requests. Open the document for your approval request. In this example, we select only one document, but you can attach multiple documents to your approval request. Go to the Approvals section. Click here to start a new approval request. In this section, you can choose the workflow to use for your new request. Select the workflow template from the drop-down menu. Give a title to your new approval request. Click here to send your request to the teams for review. In the first step, as part of the contractor team, you are able to review the document by clicking on the Review button. After reviewing the document, click on the Approve button to accept the approval request after reviewing its details. Finally, submit your approval decision and update the request status. Go back to the approval request. In the second step, as part of the ARC team, you are able to review the document by clicking on the Review button. This time we want to annotate the document. Start annotating the document by clicking on the Annotate tab. After annotating the document with the drawing tool of your choice, the annotation is pre-stored as a markup. Give it a name in this section. Save your new markup to store your annotation and associate it with the document. Go back to the Review section to return to the Review interface after saving your markup. After reviewing the document, click on the Approve button to confirm your approval of the document with the added annotations. Finally, submit your approval decision and update the request status. Go back to the approval request. In the third step, as part of the MEP team, you are able to review the document by clicking on the Review button. This time, the MEP team rejects the approval request based on their assessment. Finally, submit your approval decision and update the request status. Go back to the approval request. In the final step, as part of the client team, you are able to finalize the document by clicking on the Review button. As the final approval team, you are able to reconsider and approve the request if appropriate, even if a team has rejected it in a previous step. Before final submission, you can always access the Markup section to view all annotations associated with the approval request. Click on the Play button of one of the markups to display the markup on the document. Return to the Review section after inspecting markups. Finally, submit your approval decision and finalize the request status. Go back to the approval request. Here you can get an overview of the approval request and notice that publishing has succeeded. The approval request is now closed. Click on the Documents tab to get an overview on the documents attached to the approval request. Here you get an overview on the documents attached to the approval request. You can see the document approval status at each step and its final transition from shared to published. You have successfully created and managed a new approval request, including submitting it for review, adding annotations, approving, rejecting, and finalizing the process. To verify success, ensure the approval request status reflects your final decision and all comments are saved.